Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ford Escape in an S trim and powered by a 2.5 liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency and coming with vent shades on the windows, as well as being freshly detailed so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you do have a 12-volt power outlet here and a cargo mat. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a sort of cubby here and a 12-volt power outlet. This vehicle has remote keyless entry, which is always a nice convenience. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 87,917 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your little center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, temperature. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, and CD and auxiliary, I believe, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Moving down, of course, you have all of your media controls, as well as your central locking button and your hazards. Moving down further, you have your climate controls here, basically just on 3 dials, very simple and easy to use. You have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have a 12-volt power outlet, parking brake, 2 cup holders, a little cubby for change or something, whatever you want to put in there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest here with a removable tray and plenty of room inside, including a sort of recessed cup holder, a 12-volt power outlet, and your auxiliary line in, so you can plug in your audio or plug something into power or charge from there. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. Before I forget, this is also a front-wheel drive model. If that changes anything, but if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.